So today is Sunday and I just woke up. Due to the fact that cricket was rained out yesterday, cricket will start earlier today. So I have to leave home at 10:30 this morning. This means that we don't have a lot of time to waste this morning. I need to get my mind set on a long day of cricket and nothing but productivity. So the time to waste, let's get it, man. Let's go. Time to chop it up. Bags down pat. Cricket is definitely going to play today. Much better skies, no rains, and I can almost see the sun peeping out. Cricket is definitely going to play today. I guess my cat was bored this morning. I guess the cat was bored this morning. I woke up to this funny noise and all I could hear was wings flapping and feathers flying all over the place. Then to find out that the cat got a bird. Never yet. Carnivorous cat. You know, should be in jungle though, buddy. I just don't know here. I just don't know. Cat went out of her way to kill this bird. But what I do know for a fact is that I ain't cleaning that. I ain't cleaning that. Incorrect. Janelle back at it again. No shirt. I'm as usual on her phone. Same old, same old. Time to chop it up. You mean Ozzy was talking about good weather? Ozzy was talking about good weather. The rain won't come down. I mean, the rain ain't falling too hard, right? But the fact that the rain falling at all is what got me here like that. But you can't believe this, yeah? Never this! It's just about time to leave home now. And the sun is back out. I love it. The sun is back out. Beautiful skies, wonderful conditions. Perfect for a good day of cricket. Just gotta wait a couple minutes for my way to get here, then we can leave home. Time to chop it up. Back to sleep. Guess who can have trouble waking up for church today? Enjoy your sleep, man. Morning, morning. Man, early, man.
Yo, everything for you.
Oh, you time, dog. You meant in gym earlier? Never yet, boy. Nothing too stressful today. Considering we have a match to play today, let's take it late in the gym. A little 10-minute workout, just get the blood pumping, and we can call it there. But we don't want to overuse the muscles now. Feel me? Then can't back. So let me chop it out. Can you see me? No, you do. It was a good warm-up. Already had a couple balls. Not trying to push my body no too much. Just relaxing now until the game starts. Get my mind in a good frame of mind. So this basically be the end until they get back home, because you know can't really record that cricket. So guess you can see y'all when they get back home and give y'all the up-to-date news on what happened in the game. See y'all later. So I just got home from cricket, and as y'all can probably tell, very tired. I'm very tired. Can't complain though. It was a good game. Chipped in at the end with a couple runs. Had a good day in the field. enjoy the conditions on the Mecca, you know. Best going in Barbados, can't complain at all. It's a pity our stay at Kensington Oval had the ends so early, but this is goodbye until next time. Can't complain though. Got one more game to come after this. That can be Carlton. So I'm gonna let them produce again. But super tired right now, so I can end the vlog here. Hope everyone had a good day. I certainly did. And at the end of the day, stay safe and stay chopping. Stay chopping.